Welcome to the Samsung S22 Ultra versus the Xiaomi 13 video comparison, guys. Shooting inside with artificial light, 4K 60 FPS is the video here. There is no cap on whatsoever. You know, there is an option to go for more light and thus drop frames. This has been thoroughly disabled on both phones, and you can now enjoy the magic of the video. In this video you're going to see indoor video like this, also outdoors video, and the main purpose will be to just test the video quality, but then also please pay attention to the sound, pay attention to the stabilization, guys, and let me know what you think down below in the comments. The footage is being recorded in real time on both. On the left hand side you can see the video from the S22 Ultra, and on the right hand side you can enjoy the video from the Xiaomi 13. So who is doing a better job? I will leave this up to you. What I can see though in the viewfinder is that obviously the S22 Ultra dropped some frames, but this necessarily doesn't mean that this will happen also in the video. Okay, so right now I'm shooting indoors and we have the scenario with lower light. The S22 Ultra runs with the Exynos 2200 and the Xiaomi 13 runs with the latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which will hopefully premiere tomorrow for the S23 series. Alright guys, let me know what you think down below. Please pause the video and share your output. So again, my observation here is for the indoor video, when there is light it's okay, but then when we go and we approach some of the dark areas, I can see some drops in the viewfinder. Not necessarily meaning that you can see this also in the video. Alright, but I'm just sharing my live thoughts as I'm recording this video. And with that said, guys, let's move on to some outdoor videos. And now it's time for the outdoor video. Same scenario here, guys. The auto frame rate has been disabled on both phones, and this is very important because in the case of poor light condition, the phone software is willing to sacrifice frame rate in order to capture more light. But since this here is a 4K 60 video, I decided to disable it and see how those phones handle it. So today, as you can see, there is no sun, which is actually not so bad. First, because most of the phones do shoot quite nice when there is sun. Alright. And then the other thing is, guys, we have a lot of snow, which is actually quite good to test the white balance. Okay, not a lot of snow, but still some snow, which will allow us to get a good view on the white balance. If the snow looks yellowish or the snow looks kind of bluish with a tint, then this means the phone is not doing a good job in whiteness processing. I do believe that it's not the case here though. We have still some green in the sky, and it's very interesting, guys, as I'm just doing this in real time, the result in the viewfinder is very different, but I'm yet to see what the end result will be. And the most annoying part, guys, is that the video in the S22 Ultra viewfinder just lags and stutters, although I guess the final result's not gonna be like this, but this is kind of distracting and not really to be expected from a flagship phone, which the S22 Ultra is. If you are watching this right now, my S22 Ultra runs with the Exynos 2200 and my Xiaomi 13 runs on the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, which is a powerhouse, and you can just see I've done a lot of videos testing this chip, benchmarks, games, battery tests. It's just really very different from the 8 Gen 1, and also quite different from the latest chips we've seen, like the 888 and even the chips before. So really good work here from Qualcomm. Alright guys, I'm going to now do a slow run to just see what will happen. So we're testing the optical stabilization. Okay, and now it's time for a quicker run, and I hope I'm not gonna fall, guys, with those phones in my hand. Alright, because it's very slippery. But I'm doing this, I need to do this. Okay. One more time running towards the coffee. Okay. Alright, now I'm going to simulate shaking. So I'm literally now shaking both phones. And the result in the viewfinder from the S22 Ultra seems to be better than the one from Xiaomi. Let me do a very quick pan. And now the Xiaomi also struggles in the viewfinder. By doing this, by the way, sorry for the vertical, but in the viewfinder the result from the Ultra is just better. Now let me do again another round. time to test the optics, guys. 3x on the S22 Ultra, and here, guys, clearly as you can see, that's really optics. On the Xiaomi 13, I do have a feeling that this is done by cropping the image from the main sensor. And the astonishing thing is that the results seem to be very different in the viewfinder. Again, not necessarily the end result, what you see on the screen, but I just want to share my observation. And the image on the Xiaomi seems to be brighter somehow. Alright, we don't have here the perfect conditions, but it's just a slow run while doing zoom on both phones. You can stop the video, pause it, guys, and let me know what do you think down below. Now let's test the ultra-wide camera. Sadly, guys, on the Xiaomi 13 you can only do 24 FPS or 30 FPS 4K, as the Galaxy here uncompromised 4K 60 FPS. And since this video is rendered in 4K 60 FPS, you're gonna be able to tell the difference. Alright, so this is why I'm doing here again a slow pan. Let me now also run towards the stage here, guys. The video from the S22 Ultra in the viewfinder is really well stabilized. It's really absolutely different from what I see in the Xiaomi 13's viewfinder, so definitely should be better, and I just hope that this is also what you see here on your screens. And the last test, guys, is going to be on the front camera. Sadly, again, you know, limitation, only full HD 30 FPS on the Xiaomi 13 and UHD 60 beautiful video from the S22 Ultra. And now pay attention, guys, to the skies. I just think that this, yeah, definitely from what I'm seeing on the viewfinder, you are able to tell the difference between the clouds and the sky. And on the Xiaomi 13, the Azure handling is just very poor on the front camera, guys. You just see, yeah, a white sea, but that's nothing really compared to the real thing, right? You should see here some clouds and some sky, which is not very obvious on the Xiaomi 13. Let me also do a slow run. All right. Okay, I think this is gonna be it for this video, guys. I really hope you like this comparison. I'm gonna do the same probably also for the night, and of course also test the photo capabilities of both phones. So guys, if you like content like this, you know what to do. Freezing cold out there, guys. Stay safe. You and your family is VST over, and bye.